Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, we're gonna try to get this International 1066 started and go take it for a test drive. Hey guys, if you haven't been following this International 1066 project, I'll link up a little playlist up here in the corner. You can get caught up with that. But for those of you all been following along, you know, I really haven't messed with it lately. It's been raining for like a week and I actually got some time to work on this thing. So I'm gonna try to get this thing finished up. As you can see, I got it all pretty well back together. Just the sheet metal is pretty much the only thing I'm missing right now, but I wanted to get it started up, make sure everything's working before I start throwing that sheet metal back on. The only thing we gotta do, got to top off the high trans fluid on it. I drained all the old oil out and been filling it up with that. Only have a few more gallons to put in here and top off the antifreeze, and we should be able to try to start this thing up. So let's go ahead and get to it. We'll just top it off here with high trans fluid. Got about 20 gallons in it so far. Once we get it started up, we can let it run for a while, and then we can check it again after filters fill up and all the lines and whatnot. All right, we'll go ahead and check it with our dipstick here. And we are at the full level, but like I said, we'll start up, let it run, and then we'll check it again. Top off our antifreeze. Thing holds a lot of coolant. All right. So we'll just hook our battery cables up here. And I think that's about all we need to do. We'll turn the fuel on here. All right, let's jump up here and give it a shot. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over with the fuel off, build us some oil pressure up, see what happens. Thing looking good so far. Well, let's go ahead and see if this thing will start up on us. Well, that's not a good sound. Let's try that again. Probably just engine a little dry. Come on, baby. Well, of course. All right, guys, I grabbed my jump and carry box. This thing is a must-have. If y'all don't have one of these, I'll put a link down in the description to my store on Amazon, and you go pick you one of these up. So, see if we can get this thing started. Put this on the ground there. Just set this on the ground to make it be easier. Try her again. There we go. See if we get any steering. Yeah, starting to get a little steering. We're gonna have to get out of here before we get smoked out. See if this thing will move. steering ain't great yet, but I think we probably got some air in the line. Get off here and check out some stuff. Not seeing any leaks yet. Got a little air in the lines while I get them out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Stay tuned for next video on this tractor. I'm going to get all the sheet metal back on it and get everything adjusted right. We'll go test it out in the field. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.